If you are here to learn how to make Minecraft art on Android or iOS like this, and this too, and this more, that you can make content in your TikTok videos or on your YouTube channel, come and watch it. First, download PixelArt Builder for Minecraft from the Play Store or the App Store or any digital app store you have. After you download the app, you open the app. Once you have opened the app, click on Load Form Gallery and select the picture that you want to be your pixel art in your Minecraft world. Next, place the blocks in 150 blocks with the minimum size, height, and weight of your pixel art. Then you press here. Wait a few seconds. Then press Import and pick up your Minecraft world. Then choose a good place to put your art in your Minecraft work and click the check to put your art. Open your Minecraft app. You go to your Minecraft world where you put your Minecraft art. Then find where you put the Minecraft art. Look at the result of that work. Well, perfect. Now I made a short video to prove and show that it can be TikTok content or YouTube video on your channel.
He don't know he is safe when she says.
But first of all, I have a bonus video tutorial for new learners. Now do you know how to remove the background behind the picture? Of course you will say you can use the background eraser app, but sometimes it's not good and something is deleted in the part of your picture that will have an error like this. Next you recommend is PicsArt app, but when you remove the background in PicsArt, there is something in the background that is not erased on the side of the picture. So I thought they could combine PicsArt and background eraser for a better picture. First, save the removed background picture to your PicsArt. Then put your picture that you saved in PicsArt on the background eraser. In the background eraser has its own eraser manual that you can resize and erase yourself. Let's erase all the green color on the side of the picture. Perfect. Now let's watch my finished short video clip.
He don't know he is safe when she says. She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love.
I hope you like my video, thanks. By the way, don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe and notification bell so that you are always updated on my new videos. And if you want to download the apps earlier in the video and where to find them, go to my description. I'm Mr. Zonix again, thank you very much for watching.